Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, if you can't tell by the title, we're just gonna be sitting down playing with some Made by Mitchell products. I haven't actually sat down and played with any Mitchell products in a while, and I thought, you know what, I kind of want to. I haven't got any of his newer products, like his Blursh lights. I know that he launched some are like glowy blushes and then some are like highlighters. I haven't purchased any of them. The reason being is just because, one, do I really need them? Two, I mean, they look incredible, but I've also heard some negative reviews on them. So yeah, if they do go on sale at some point, like for cheap, then I'll probably end up getting one. But yeah, I just don't really need them right now. But I have also heard that he's launching a new palette soon. So you guys know that I absolutely love his palettes. So I will probably be purchasing that whenever it does launch. So yeah, but today I thought I'd sit down. We've got some palette. Well, I've got a couple of his palettes. I think I know what I'm going to do. I'm probably going to mainly use the Do You Want Some Milk palette, just because I haven't actually played with this that much, and I wanted to play with it some more. I've used his other his other three quite a few times. So yeah, I've also done like reviews and other tutorials using them other palettes, so if I can find them videos, I will like link it in a playlist or link the videos up in the cards, something like that. But yeah, got his palettes, I've got a couple of his blushers and his bronzer, so we'll just sit down and we'll just have a little play with these. Also guys, I wanted this mirror for like the longest time. I don't know why, I just do. I think it's so cool. And I actually got it on the TikTok shop for like 99p. I think it's gone back up in price now, but keep checking. If you're wanting something from Made by Mitchell, keep checking his TikTok shop, because I'm telling you, there's been some bargains on there. So yeah, 99p I paid for this. Can you believe it? So yeah, I'm just going to prime my lids and zoom you guys in, and then we're going to jump straight on into it. Okay, so jumping into the Do You Want Some Milk palette, I'm going to take this shade here, which is called Lactose, this one, the hot pink. Oh, this mirror is so big. I'm going to take it. I'm just taking it on a MORPHE brush. I'm taking it round like that, in that kind of shape. And also at the edge. Like that. Don't worry, I'm going to clean up the centre of it. I think I did actually use this shade in like the tutorial that I did, like my review. I really want him to launch like other base products, you know, like foundation, concealer, that kind of thing, because I feel like it would just be insane. But yeah, and then I'm gonna go into, I think, do I go into this lighter pink shade? I don't know, like I've got a few other palettes here as well. I could take it more like peachy. Is that too much? I think I'm just going to stick to the light pink, which is called Udda one. This one here. This palette's so big, like the pans in it are massive. Obviously a good thing, you know. I'm going to start to like blend around the edges. Obviously this pink is a lot lighter than the first one, so we're going to have to go back into the first one to like build up and like blend out a little bit more, but that's fine. I'm just going to go back into that dark pink shade and just start to like again build that up. And then go back into the lighter pink. Try and blend it out. I'm just going to do this eye off camera. Again, I'm going to like fiddle around with it some more, build it up, blend it out, that kind of thing. And then I'll carve out this bit and cut that out with like some concealer or something. And then we'll be back to do the lid shade. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so I've literally just carved this crease out. I didn't use my P. Louise base just because like whenever I feel like I use it, I feel like it's just makes the eyeshadow crease so much more easily. So I've just gone in with the Beauty Bay one. Obviously it's not as thick and heavy as the P. Louise one, but I still feel like it still cut the crease kind of nicely without being too heavy. So if you know of another like great eye primer that will kind of cut the crease just as good as a P. Louise one but not be as heavy and thick, please let me know. But yeah, so I've quickly just done that and kind of like set it down. So I'm just trying to find a brush to apply the shimmer with because the shimmer looks insane. So yeah, I've only done this eye, like cut that out of camera just because this one I don't know how it's gonna fit. Okay, so for the shimmer shade I really want to go into Licky, which is this shade here. I just think it's so pretty. It's so stunning. So we're going to go in with this. I might go in with another shade as well for like an inner corner. But I thought I'd just pop this down first. I'm also going to go around the outside of the cut crease with something. Do you see that shade? It is stunning. Like it is so pretty. So if you couldn't see me then, this mirror is so big, but wow, I wanted to use it, obviously, because it's made by Mitchell. Do you see that shimmer? Oh my gosh. The inner corner, I want to go into the shade Milky, which is this shade up here. That is a stunning shade as well. Honestly, the whole palette is stunning. Just gonna take a little bit on the inner corner, like the inner portion, if you will, just to kind of like brighten it up a little bit. Amazing. Look at it. It looks wet. Like it looks wet on my lid. It is beautiful. I'm going to go around the outside of the crease with the Glistening Cosmetics wet liner in the shade Milk. I just feel like that'll help to kind of like really separate them and make it stand out a little bit more, if that kind of makes sense, like the shape for what I'm kind of going for, if that makes any sense. I keep nearly dropping this palette. I've just closed it over now. So I've just sprayed some like setting spray into it to kind of like get it wet. And I'm just going to go into a really tiny brush. I've actually cut mine down. I really want a Glistening Cosmetics brush. I really do. But yeah, we move. I'm literally just going to start to draw around. This is going to be so hard. I might not talk throughout it just because it is quite a difficult thing to do. Okay, so I've kind of done this. I feel like I've done the line too thick. But anyway, here we are. I'm going to go ahead and just do this out of camera. I'll do my base and everything. And of course, I'll come back and we do have these to play with as well. So I'm going to go ahead and just do that and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I've not done my concealer yet, but I've done my foundation and my lashes and stuff. I'm going to go into the Blurshed Bronze in the shade Cream Carve. Yeah. Just gonna pop a little bit here. I like to do one side at a time because I know this product can sometimes dry down a little bit fast. But yeah, so I decided not to get the blush lights for now. Like I said, if they do happen to come down in price, I might get one to try one. He was doing bundles. However, with the bundles on the TikTok shop, I didn't think I was going to get use out of certain shades and things, so I kind of decided against it for now. But they do look really nice, but then I've heard some people say that they just kind of like leave a white, like a cast on you, which obviously I am quite pale, so obviously I don't really want a cast to be left on me, but with me being so pale. So yeah, I do really want to try them though, but if he's launching a new palette, I'd want to try that more, and that's just me being like very, very honest. As well, like you guys probably know, I'm not a massive like cream product kind of fan. I'm just not. I'm trying to use it more. I'm trying to use them more, but yeah. So that's that shade down. Nice. I like it. I like this shade. I'm definitely glad I went for this shade. But yeah, moving on to blush. I don't really know what to use. Like I do have like I absolutely love the shade. This Can't Cope with Coral. But then it's like I also have pinky shades as well. That's a nice shade, but then I don't know. Peach Sugar. Like, what do I do? What do I do? I'm feeling like this shade, the Posey Rosey shade. Posey Rosey. I'll put a little bit of that on the cheek. Again, I'm just going to do one at a time. As you can see, they're so pigmented. I feel like this brush is so hard. Is it just me? Like sometimes I feel like just your finger can do the job. I do like that shade. It's very pretty. It's a very nice shade. I'm going to go ahead and just do the rest of my base and everything. So now I've got them down. This shade. I'm just going to do the rest of my base. I'll probably do my lips as well off camera. I was thinking of using like one of these, like, I don't know. If I decide to do that, then I'll do it on camera. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just do the rest of my base and everything, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I've done the rest of my base and everything. I think for lips, I do kind of want to go in with some of these shades. Do I go in with like these two? Do I keep more pink? What do you guys think? With a bit of gloss on the top. I'll go in with Posey Rosey first. We'll take a little bit of this on top. I might just take this a little bit in the centre. Oh, I'm just going to use a brush. Just to tap this in. I don't hate it. I don't. I'm not mad. I am not mad at that. I'm probably going to put a gloss on top. I don't really know what gloss. I'll just quickly do that and then we'll wrap the video up. I did struggle with the lips. I had to like remove some of it because the gloss wasn't sitting right on top of it. So I don't know whether that's like the blushes or the gloss. I'm not too sure. But yeah, this is the finished look. So let me know what you guys think. I've got hair in my face. It's really annoying me. I feel like I kind of messed up the liner. But other than that, I think we look good. I think the look looks okay. So I actually quite like it, you know. It's giving me like very Barbie vibes. But yeah, I quite like it. It's quite cute. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys are going to be picking up the new Mitchell palette whenever he does reveal it. I probably will be doing, like, this is me. Let me know if you purchased any of the blush, like the blush lights, and how you found them as well. Please let me know. I'm really intrigued. So yeah, everything else that I'm wearing on my face, I'll of course link in the description box down below. Like I said before, any videos I've done using any of the Mitchell products, I'll leave them in the cards or a playlist or something. So yeah, I guess that's it for today's video, guys. I guess I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!